My name is Hargurdeep Singh. I'm a certified engineering technologist. I was born in India and I grew up in Canada. Moved here back in 2000 when my parents decided to come to Canada for a better life. My background is in mechanical engineering, design and drafting technology program. I took the course at Sheridan College, really part of their ecosystem around advanced manufacturing. I also completed my co-op at Sheridan, elected by EWO as the Ontario Co-op Student of the Year. I was the president of the Sheridan Engineering Association, and at the same time, I was engaged with OACETT and many different professional associations under the Engineering Association umbrella. So my time at OACETT, I started in 2014 as a student representative on the council. Later, I joined the OACETT Peel chapter as a director and volunteered my time there with many different activities like technical webinars, volunteering at the picnic. I was also nominated and elected as the college liaison, so I served there for 2 years. The difference OACETT's made in my career is that, it gave me a path of professionalism. It was my first exposure as a student representative on the council, much bigger than just a sense of community. It's your ethics, your professionalism, and how you carry yourself. Being a young professional, you deal with a lot of different challenges. Effectively, one of the challenges could be how you carry yourself and how professional you are. And having that C.E.T designation just helps you differentiate yourself from the rest of the community. In my professional career, today I spearhead the advanced manufacturing portfolio at a company called C.E.T Micro Solutions. We're a value-added reseller. So the type of customers I get exposed to, they range anywhere from healthcare to defense to automotive and aerospace. You can imagine these customers are one of the Fortune 500 companies that are innovating and developing new products, or it could be as simple as a machine shop that is trying to increase efficiency in their manufacturing processes. So they're leveraging 3D printing to create jigs, fixture tooling, or even spare parts that they can't find anymore after life cycle. One of my engagement at C.E.T Micro is I've developed a program called the Technology Watch program. So as you can imagine, in any growing industry, the technology is evolving very rapidly. So as part of the Technology Watch program, we keep an eye on the latest and the greatest that's happening around the world. So I get to evaluate and investigate new solutions every single day. And based on those solutions, we then try to align that with our market needs in Canada. So I'm receiving the Young Professional Award today. I'm extremely thankful and grateful. It feels really good. I really want to thank the entire OACETT and the Peel chapter, and my colleagues saw me as a deserving candidate. It's a validation for me. It's that I'm on the right path and I'm doing the right things, and I'm getting recognized for the efforts that are being put in. So I really appreciate that. I'm really humbled.